We've gone over this problem many times, but many people still don't know where to start. Actually, let me tell you, there are only two forms for this type of problem. The first one is a continued equality, like a over 3 equals b over 4 equals c over 5, where it's just bare, without telling you what it equals. There's another situation where it gives you something really intimidating, for example, setting it equal to a huge number like 123,456,789 just to scare you. But we say no matter how big that number is, or even if that number exists, the simplest thing is to just set it equal to 1, or even better, set it equal to a variable. Why do I say that? We need to explain it clearly to everyone based on the meaning of fractions and division. For example, let's say it equals a. Wait, let's use m since a is already taken. What's the point of setting it equal to m? Think about it. This is a fraction, and we know that a fraction is actually a division. In other words, a over 3 corresponds to a divided by 3 equals m, right? So don't we get that a equals what? A equals 3m. If you write a 1 here, it's even simpler. A corresponds to 3. So what does b equal? B divided by 4 equals m, so b equals 4m. If you set this to 1, then b corresponds to 4. So I'm saying whether you set it as a variable or set it equal to 1, it's all fine. Both are convenient. And c corresponds to 5 million. With this in hand, we substitute it into this formula, okay? Our a equals 3m, then here b is 4m, and then 5m divided by a, which means divided by 3m. What do we get? The denominator is 3 million, and the numerator is 12 million. If you simplify it, cancel out the m's, then what is 12 divided by 3? It equals 4. There you go, right? The answer is out. It equals 4. Have you all mastered this method?